I'm in a 2024 Tahoe that just got its oil changed, and they forgot to reset the oil life. You can see it still says change in oil, engine oil soon. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to do that. All right, and the first thing I have to do if I wanna reset the oil life is to pick a different display layout. So right now I've got this set to clean. You can see here, if I push my button, it'll give me my display layout options, and you'll see I'm on clean, right? So I have to move to one of these other three, either digital, progressive, or classic. So I'll just pick classic. And once you're on classic, it'll give you this whole new look here. And what you're gonna do is scroll over using your left button until you get to the yellow eye that's all the way on the left. So once I start moving, it goes to options, left again, and you can now see I'm into these options. While I'll get to this eye button, this information button here, right? And so the first one's got its tire pressure. And so from here, we're gonna scroll down. So you'll use your toggle again here to push down and scroll down. And I'll scroll down through here. We got driver assistance. And then now you have oil life. So you can see it's at 0%. I know it's not at 0% because it just got the oil change. So I'll just go ahead and reset it myself. And now we'll just push it once, and that'll bring up this option, or if you're sure you want to reset, and then I'll toggle to yes by hitting the right. And then here, I'll just push it again. And then there you go. It's all the way set. All right, so we're all done. Pretty simple, but just not very intuitive, especially if you've got the clean display on like I like. So I'll go ahead and move it back there. But if that helped you out, let me know below. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next project.